Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about promoting your business on the web. Now, many people think that the best way to promote your business on the web is to have a full-blown website, multi-page, a website that is constantly updated so that it remains current. But I have a different approach. My approach is something that's called the hub and spoke approach. What does that mean? Consider a wheel. A wheel has a hub, and then it has spokes that come out of the hub that supports the actual rim of the wheel. So how does that apply to your web presence and your business? Well, the way I see it, your web presence should be that hub that will allow you to be able to control the content that supports everything around it. And you have total control over everything that you put out there that is around that hub that really promotes your brand. So let's take a look at that and see how that works. In this example, I'm showing you a design that I did for a client. I did this logo for her. She's basically not a fashion consultant, but basically a cosmetologist. And we collaborated, and I put together this logo, this brand for her. Then the next thing we did was we actually put together this business card where it has her brand, an image, likeness of herself, all of her contact information. And then if you notice on the back of the card, there are all the different social media links that she is involved in. So we have the logo, all right, and then we have the logo right here, and then we have the actual card itself. So now, once we have that, I'm going to show you what I did for her website. Okay, let's take a look at this site. This is the site that I designed for her, and if you notice, we see that the brand is in place. In other words, we have the logo here, we have her likeness, the color scheme, and we have information about who she is and what she does. But the key is the links. If you notice here, we have all of the different entities that she's involved in: DoTerra, Fabskin, Square, and then we have here the actual physical location, the map to how to get there, and then of course you can submit a message, I guess, to basically make an appointment, and of course contact information, phone number, and what have you. But here's where the hub and spoke concept comes in. All of these different links, the social media links, again, the different external resources, all right? This is where this site itself, it's a single page site, not that involved, but it remains static. The things that are updated are the spokes, what goes out, the Facebook page. So if I click on here, it'll take me to her Facebook account. All right, and it is here where she will, keep this current, update this constantly with whatever information she wants to put out there. All right, next up you have, of course, Twitter and Instagram and Pinterest. And as we go down here, let's say some of the external links. We have the doTERRA. All right, and then this is, her, wherever she is involved in, the things that need to be updated will remain on the spoke side. The stuff that actually goes around the hub. So now you have a situation where you have the brand is intact, okay? It's static. You don't have to really update this unless, of course, there's something like maybe you've changed your location or you changed your phone number. But this remains static, and the thing that she controls is actually whatever goes out beyond the hub. So that's how the hub and spoke concept works that I have developed that I actually, sell to my clients so that this way now it's a very, very, very cost effective um, uh, protocol, if you will, but it will allow the individual to actually promote the brand. And at any point in time, um, you know, some of the social media may go away, some of the different external connections may go away, but the actual brand remains intact. So that's the long and short of it. Um, and this is something that it is extremely cost effective, and it is something that will help the up and coming entrepreneur be able to actually brand themselves, promote their business without having to get involved with constantly reinventing the wheel with a website. So that's basically how it works. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to give me a holler and I can talk about this in more detail.